Matt, thank you for joining us. We're at the One-to-One conference today in London. Tell us a little bit more about Nevada Copper.
Absolutely, Scott. So Nevada Copper is developing the Pumpkin Hollow Underground project right now in northern Nevada, near the city of Reno. We are fully funded for construction of the underground. We've commenced that construction in September. We're on track for delivering the underground first concentrate in November of 2019, ramping up to full production mid-year 2020. That's the underground portion of our deposit. We have an open pit deposit immediately adjacent to the underground. And when I say that immediately adjacent, just stressing that the underground is not the bottom of the open pit. So we have another deposit, the open pit, about 5 kilometers away from the underground. We're in the process of doing the study work on that. The PEA was published in October. The PFS update will come out the first quarter of 2019. That will include an updated resource model with our very successful 2018 drilling campaign. And that will really explain our strategy for the development of the open pit, a phased approach, starting off with a higher grade core and then potentially phasing out into a larger scale as time goes on. That'll all come out in the PFS in the first quarter of 2019.
Are you able to give us sort of an idea on scale?
Yeah, for example, for scale. So when we talk about copper production, the underground is about 27,000 tons a year of copper in concentrate. We produce concentrate. So underground about 27,000 tons a year copper in concentrate. Open pit another about 75,000 tons of copper in concentrate.
Obviously we're at the One-to-One conference today. What is the key message that you're looking to get out to investors, potential shareholders?
Okay, so really it's that message about who is Nevada Copper. We are not thinking about developing a copper mine. We're not contemplating or studying developing a copper mine. We are fully funded for the execution of a copper mine. In a price cycle that many questions come up, why are you developing a copper mine now? Well, one, we believe in the market fundamentals. The supply-demand curve for copper, we're very, very strong on supply, the supply constraints that we're seeing in the market. We're very strong on the steady demand. Second one is we're ready. We're in the right jurisdiction, we're fully funded. We are developing a copper mine when the input prices are relatively lower, when the competition for scarce resources is relatively less, and we'll be producing when prices rebound, not standing in line fighting over the same contractors.
And the One-to-One conference, how's that been for you?
This is great. So this is my second One-to-One conference, and in a different part of the world. I like the fast pace of meeting people that allows for that more fulsome update if desired. I like this style of getting to meet a lot of people, a lot of high energy, and One-to-One attracts really high quality investors.